Hey YouTube, this is a little continuation of my video of taking apart the 5K Ultrafine monitor. The three boards were shipped like this to me for repair. You don't need to ship me the whole thing. All you need to ship is this board. And those are 5 screws that's holding it in place. You need to undo these screws, undo these connectors, and carefully remove the board out of the way. Sometimes they do have a little shield that is held by 2 screws, 3 screws here, here, and here, but the same way you remove the shield and remove the board. So let me remove that. This board's already repaired. I just want to show you how to take the board out, because this saves on shipping, and also the corners not gonna get dinged up of this metal shield. Anyway, so there are latches right here. All you need to do is press on this, remove, same way here and here. This is actually the speaker connector. Sometimes you need to kinda undo it from this side. Undo this clip, press on here, and there's two clips on sides. So you just clip them like this and remove it. And then you basically push it on one side like this a little bit, and then the other side where the ports are, or like right here. Push it out like this, and that's it. And that's basically all I need. This board is all I need to get these monitors going. And I'm not sure if there are probably other people fixing this, but there are several issues with these boards, not just the port. There are some MOSFETs going out and some other issues. I mean, I was having a pretty good repair rate on this, because as I said, it's not only the port that goes out on this. I have my other videos explaining the other issues. So if you wanna ship it in for repair, you can contact me at info@applepitech.com, or go to my website applepitech.com. I'll probably have a dedicated page for this 5K Ultrafine repairs, because I love these monitors. I use them myself, and these are great monitors with a little flaw on that connector. Not only that, but otherwise these are great monitors. So if you need one repaired, contact me, or just go to the website, fill out the form, and ship it in. Just make sure to include your information in the package so I know how to contact you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely day, guys. Bye.